Hey loves, so we all know that everybody's hair actually grows, but the problem most of us have is not knowing how to keep the new growth, that is, retain the length. So today I'll be showing you the right way to use aloe vera that is guaranteed to grow your hair and keep you moisturized, and also how to use it to safely detangle your hair without you losing much hair in the process. I said this because it has worked for me and people that are close to me. Knowing how my hair was before I started using it, I believe it's going to work for you too if you use it the right way when detangling your hair. You won't be losing any hair that is not supposed to be lost, and this means that you'll be retaining your length, which transitions to hair growth. Hello loves, again welcome back to my channel. It's me, Uchina. Say hello to me in the comment section. Okay, so I started off showing how I'm taking down this little twist that I have on because I wanted to touch on it a little. The journey to growing your hair and retaining the length actually starts from when you're taking down your protective style. You can see I'm using just water to soften my hair and the tip of my hair, just to make sure that my hair is not as dry before going in to start taking down the twist. You can use any other thing you prefer, like oil or conditioner, anything that can add some sort of slip or moisture, so you don't start breaking your hair off even before you start detangling. So if you really want to see growth, start by maintaining and retaining your length, because the hair is actually growing. But the question is, are you keeping the new growth by making sure that the tip of your hair is not dry and breaking off during activities like this, when you take out your protective style or when you're doing any other thing on your hair? So if your tip is breaking off, that means you're not retaining length, and your new growth will replace the one that broke off from the tip, and your hair length will still remain the same. I've gone ahead to prepare my aloe vera. I have the best method, the easiest way to make aloe vera without blender that will give you this slip, this succulent thing you see on the screen. And this is exactly how you want your aloe vera gel to be. This is the slip you need on your hair to enable the comb and the brush to glide smoothly in between your hair strands and detangle your hair without pulling off your hair. I have some videos showing how I make my aloe vera. You can click on this video up here to watch. So moving on, I'll be using my comb and detangling brush for this process, and of course my aloe vera gel. But first, a very quick and honest testimony that I have about aloe vera. Aloe vera was my first love, the only thing I used on my hair before I even tried rice water, which is of course my second love. I used only aloe vera when I started growing out my hair, my nieces, my sisters, and my hair was growing so fine, so well. Well, my hair was longer than this, but I had to let go of some inches, which made my hair shorter, but it's growing back again. So aloe vera was the only thing I used on my hair and rice water. I would use aloe vera to detangle my hair properly, get it down to my scalp, my roots, my hair strands, and the tip of my hair, of course. And that was basically the routine every month, my routine every month. And then I will cover up my hair for some minutes, wash my hair, put it back in a protective style. And when I say protective style, is always mini twist. Then I repeat the same process the next month, because I normally wash my hair like almost every month. I wash my hair, and I promise you, each time I take down the protective style to repeat the same routine again, there is always a significant growth. So this is me saying that you really don't need to do too much, do everything you see online to grow a healthy natural hair. Just maintain what works for your hair and be consistent with the routine. So aloe vera is one thing I know that gets the job done. So I had to cover my body, my clothes, because my aloe vera for this video did not give me the kind of sleep that my aloe vera would normally give. I don't know if the season, the weather has anything to do with it. I don't know. So I didn't even use the brush again, because I wouldn't want to lose any hair that is not supposed to be lost. So all I did was get this down to every part of my hair, my scalp, my hair strand, and of course the tip of my hair, very important. And then I first finger detangle before finishing up with my comb. Aloe vera has so many active ingredients that is beneficial to the hair. Aside being a hair detangler, it helps to strengthen the hair and repair hair strands. It helps treat dandruff and calm itchy scalp, and it stimulates hair growth. So all I'm trying to say is, if you really want to see length, you should be gentle with your hair, especially for us, the natural hair girlies. We know the struggle that comes with maintaining natural hair, right? Make sure that you're being gentle while taking down your protective style. And when you're detangling your hair, always use a product that has slip, like aloe vera gel, flaxseed gel, conditioner. These things will help detangle your hair easily without causing breakage or damage. And always finger detangle first, very important, before you introduce any form of any tool like comb or your brush. And that's basically it for this video, guys. So at this point, guys, I beg you, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment for me in the comment section. This will help me a lot. Okay, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I don't take your support for granted. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you all in my next one. Bye.